Credit card debt is bad because it's actually tearing away from the money that you can have in your future. Instead of you investing what you're paying on your credit card interest, you could be paying that instead of paying that into your future, buying stocks, buying things that you can invest. You're actually paying that in interest, and that company is taking that money and actually investing into their future. So that's why I think credit card debt is bad. And sometimes you guys get into credit card debt, you're going to find that it's going to be very, very hard to get out of it because if you got credit card debt, you got certain spending habits that you need to stop. So just try not to overspend on your credit cards. I always try to tell people again, don't spend more than 5% on your credit cards. If you guys are spending more than 5% of your credit cards, then to me, you have a higher risk of being in credit card debt. But God forbid something like that happen. But that is why credit card debt is bad. And some of your credit cards, you're going to see that you may have a 27% interest rate on it, 20% interest rate on those credit cards. You can't get those rates investing. So yes, I tell you, like, oh, you could invest it this, you could invest it that. But think about it like this too. If you invest in it trying to get, 12%, 10%, they getting 29%. Like they winning. So don't let them win, you guys. Don't let them beat you. Make sure you guys are paying your full statement balance by your due date, or making sure that you guys do not charge anything on your credit card unless you can pay it off. If you guys just had that basic thing, you guys are definitely going